Hey, hi, back again. Probably after 2 weeks gap. Yeah, so last week I didn't upload any video. Um, so last week, Saturday, I got vaccinated. That's my first dose of Covaxin, Covishield. I lot of friends started asking me after they came to know that I got vaccinated. A lot of friends were asking about side effects. So I thought, why not make a video and share my experience? And why will I restrict it to my friends? If I upload it in YouTube, many people may come to know about it, what my experience, and it may help them to take a decision. A lot of people are right now, they are not saying it, but getting worried about vaccination. They have now, people have come, and earlier people were not willing to take vaccine, but now everyone is willing to take vaccine, but they have worries in back of their mind uh, about fever, about side effects and all. So anyway, coming to back to the point, I got vaccinated last Saturday. It was event organized at my residential complex. A lot of residential complexes in Kolkata right now arranging this kind of event, collaborating with different private hospitals as well as different societies. And same thing happened at my complex. It was a paid vaccination camp. We paid like 1150 rupees per dose. I got my family also vaccinated. So side effects, it's just a pinch, okay. While you take the vaccine, it's like same, like the kids take the vaccine. So they will put it on your arm right here in this position. You must have seen uh, many videos, many photos people are taking while they are getting vaccinated. So they will put it on this arm. So obviously there will be a pain, not at the point of at the time of taking the vaccine, but gradually that pain will increase after you take that vaccine. And that pain covers your upper arm, mostly the upper arm and the lower arm as well. For me it was complete hand, it was complete hand. I took the vaccine around 10:30 a.m. After that I was volunteering in that camp, helping people to helping the organizers to run the camp. uh, so I was busy there, but I was feeling the pain. Gradually it's increasing, and by the evening it was quite a heavy pain. uh, of course I was able to work, but there was a continuous pain. And when you have that understanding that uh, that pain is because of vaccination, so obviously you don't get worried. So I also did the same thing. I didn't take any painkiller. I And that was like a decision which I have taken before taking the vaccine, that I will not take any medicine unless it's a very serious. So point is that it was a bearable pain. You can tolerate that pain. It won't be a problem. Next day, gradually, after evening, so Saturday 10:30 a.m. I took that vaccination. It gradually started. By the evening it was a lot of pain, but Saturday, over Sunday, from morning itself I was feeling better regarding the pain in the hand. But I was having a headache, and even on Saturday I was, in the evening it was like, I was very tired. I don't know, it may be a normal thing, because whole day I was in the camp working with other people. Maybe that made me some that maybe that's the reason I was tired, but I was very tired and I was feeling like going to bed. uh, my wife was also not feeling good in the evening. She took the same vaccine with me, and it was a pain. She was also having the same kind of symptoms, same kind of side effects. She was having pain, and she was also feeling like she will catch fever. She was feeling like it. she was feeling like same thing which happens when you get a fever, okay, but she was not having fever. I checked temperature and all, she was not having fever, but she was very she was feeling like by the late night or by morning she will get a fever or something. She was feeling that, but next morning when she woke up she was absolutely fine. But for me the pain in the hand was still there, and but I started having pain, having headache. I have a problem of headache. I don't know if it was that, but on particular that day I was having a headache, and it was the complete day I was feeling that headache. Even in the evening I had to take Saridon, and that also normally taking Saridon gives me relief, but this time it didn't work that much. Ultimately I had to go bed again early on Sunday, and Monday onwards it was okay. I It's more than a week now. I still have the pain in the arm. I mean, especially on that spot where I got vaccinated. But the overall arm is fine. That I do not have that problem. Many people are getting fever. Even my own parents got fever. So once you get vaccinated, after that you take a rest, and once you have complete that rest, normally the fever comes at that point of time. That's how most people whom I know, and they got fever after vaccination, they told me like that. And my parents also got fever. They were having 2 days of fever. They are both of them are 60 plus, and they got 2 days of fever after taking the first dose. Now then there is another point that after second dose the possibility of getting fever is high, because that's when the actual vaccine starts working. It's just a ground preparation. The first dose is a ground preparation in your body. It's not the total total shield from the virus or from the coronavirus. As you know, it's just a groundwork, preparatory work, but it has to be there. And then the second dose will be your actual shield from coronavirus. So that's the experience I got vaccinating myself. It's so bad weather in Kolkata. I'm sweating, for making this video I didn't switch on the fan. I have to switch on the fan. I don't have AC in this room. This is the only quiet room I got to record this. So thank you for watching. I will soon come up with my next video, and of course I will share my second dose experience as well. It's probably now they have increased the duration, so Cowin app says I will get vaccinated. I can take second dose in between July end and August. So I will come up with another video sharing my experience of second dose, and in between I will come up with other videos as well. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.